Manifestation is about your level of self-love, what your frequency is, because what we're putting out is what we're attracting. You become a magnet. You've heard people like, oh, they're so magnetic, they're so charismatic. You can be that magnet to your heart's desires with using Tantra, and especially with using one element of Tantra that's referred to as sex magic. And it's not dark. It's not to be manipulative. It's not something you should do to make this person want to be with me. We can never impose our will on someone else. We should respect their free will, but we can use it to experience certain things we want to experience in life, and to have more abundance, more freedom, more success, or travel more. I've manifested a lot of things using sex magic. I've manifested better jobs, celebrity clients. I've manifested a lot of things that are so amazing. My friends are like, wow, you're a super manifester, because I've tapped into this energy that we have. And again, like Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich, it's sexual transmutation. How do you turn the energy, which our energy we have so much shame about in society, but is our most creative energy. We were creative from energy. If it wasn't for our sexual energy, none of us would be here, but everyone doesn't want to talk about it, wants to act like it's so bad. It's not. It is our creative life force. So what if we were able to tap into that and to use that, harness it, and focus it? Things can really block us from really experiencing how magical we are. One of the things when you're wanting to manifest is having clarity. Take that moment and write down your intentions. What is it that you're wanting to call in? Also, everything is energy, like an energetic field. Sometimes to bring something in, if there's things that are negative energy or stagnant energy or relationships that no longer serve us, we also need to fully let those go and stop hanging on to those, because that keeps energetic debris or clutter around us and doesn't allow us to fully call things in. So we have to notice also, I want to experience this, but where am I maybe blocking this from coming because of other ways, or I haven't taken care of this relationship, or I'm holding on, or I have a negative idea about, we're like, all men are the same or all women are the same. That's not true. We just are in this energetic frequency where we're in this pattern of repeating the same patterns and attracting the same type of people. My own method is powerful. If you're wanting to learn how to experience powerful manifestation in your life, more powerful than intense orgasms, work on your self-love, self-pleasure, and attract better relationships, or even strengthen the relationship. Also, not just have a partner to manifest and create the life that we want. Sometimes we have these things that we haven't faced that are gnawing away at us energetically and being drains. It's the baggage you keep carrying around. And so you're not able to move as quick in this universe whenever you have all this stuff that you haven't unpacked and resolved. Things we keep holding on to, energy that no longer serves us, that's stagnant, and we need to do our own spring cleaning and clear that out. I work with couples and singles. I work with men and women, all genders. My own method program, it's such a life changer for me. I'm honored to share it with others. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate you.